Hello guys, this is my new video. In this I am going to show how to use a string functions in a PHP. Now we have got different string functions which we can use in a PHP. Now here I am going to show the very basics string function in a PHP. Now let's start. So now let's start. And this first string function is str underscore word underscore count. In the bracket we'll write down the our string. Now in this case my string is $str is equal to its Madhura. Now it will find out the number of words in the given string, that is in its Madhura. So now it will return me result like 2 because it has got 2 words, its and Madhura. Now let's So here the next function is str underscore replace, and it has got 3 arguments. First is a string 1 which we want to replace, string 2 by using which we are replacing the string 1 and our string. So like this we are replacing the string. Now here what I am doing is my string is its Madhura. So I want to replace this Madhura by Shubham. So I will write down here first I will write down str underscore replace. I want to replace Madhura, so Madhura, comma, by using what? By using Shubham. So Shubham, and third, in which string it's Madhura. So it will give me the output like it's Shubham. So now next function is string length. I want to find out the length of the string. So for this I am using strlen, strlen. In a bracket I will write down my string. So it will give me the length of my string, and length of my string is 11 because my string is its Madhura and its whole length is 11 because it will also consider the space as well. So by considering the space it's come out to be 11. So it will give me output as 11. Now next string function is str pause. Now str pause will give me the position of the given string. Now the str pause has 2 arguments. First is the $str and second one is the string or a word we want to find out the position of in the given string. Suppose my $str, my string is its Madhura. So I want to find out the position of string Madhura in the string its Madhura. So for that what I will give is str pause $str, which is nothing its Madhura, comma, in double quotes Madhura. So it will give me the position of Madhura in its Madhura string. So the position of the given string come out to be 4 because it is at the 4th position. Next string function is strrev, which will reverse the given string. So I want to reverse the string $str, which is equal to its Madhura. So I want to reverse this string. So I will write strrev in a bracket. I will write down my string. So it will give me the output like this, like aru hadam sti. Like it will reverse the given string. Next string function is str underscore repeat, which will repeat the given string the number of times, the number of count will give. Now it has got two arguments. First is our string and the number of time we want to repeat the given string. So like this I have given str underscore repeat and my string comma 8. So it will repeat the given string 8 number of times. So now next function is strchr. Now in this, it will find out the first occurrence of given string inside my main string and return the rest of the string. Suppose my string is $str is equal to it's Madhura. So I want to find out the string Madhura inside it's Madhura. So it will give me the first occurrence of Madhura inside it's Madhura and return the rest of the string. Suppose my string is it's very cold, it's very cold and very hot. So if I want to find out the very inside my string, it's very cold and very hot, so it will give me the output like very cold and very hot, because it will find out the first occurrence of very and return the rest of the string as it is. Now next function is strcmp. Strcmp will compare the two strings. So here my string 1 is it's Madhura and string 2 is it's Madhu. So it will give me the output as a 2. And strcmp is a case sensitive as well as binary sieve. So when my two strings are equal, in that case I will get the output as 0. If my string 1 is greater than string 2, in that case I will get the output greater than 0. If my string 1 is less than string 2, in that case I will get the output less than 0. So here my string 1 is greater than string 2. That's why I am getting output in a positive, that is 2, which is greater than 0. Now the next function is strpad. Str underscore pad function will pads the given character number of times. Then the count we specify that number of time it will pad the given character after this given string. So it's str underscore pad $str comma 13 comma in double quote star. So my $str is nothing but it's Madhura. So it will pad the star character a 13th up to the 13th count. So it will give me the output like it's Madhura and 2 stars, because it's Madhura itself is of 11 length and I want to complete it up to 13. So it will just to complete the 13th count, it will just add the 2 star after it's Madhura. Next function is str underscore rot13. Now this function will encode my given string. Now it will shift every letter 13 places in the alphabet. Numeric and non-alphabetical characters remain untouched. Now in this case, I am giving here str underscore rot13 and my string, which is it's Madhura. So it will give me the output like something that it will shift the every character like the V, J, F, so Z and Q, U, H, E, N. So it will encrypt my string. Next function is str underscore get CSV. Str underscore get CSV is the one which parse the string for a fields in CSV format and return an array containing the fields read. Now str underscore get CSV has got 4 arguments. First is a string, second is a separator. Separator is the optional part and default is comma. Then the third one is enclosure. Enclosure is also optional part and default enclosure is double quotes. And the fourth one is escape, and it is also the optional part, and the default escape character is backslash. Now in this case I am writing str underscore get CSV, and in the bracket I am writing my string $str, just that, and it will give me the output in the form of array, like array 0 is equal like pointing to its Madhura. Now in this case, for printing the array I am using print underscore r function. next function is str underscore shuffle. This function randomly shuffles all the characters of string. Here I am using str underscore shuffle and my string is it's Madhura. So it will randomly shuffle my string and give me output like HTADSIMRAU. Now next function is str underscore split. Now split function will split the given string into an array. Str split function has got two arguments, string comma length. Here string I am specifying as it's Madhura and length as a 2. And length is optional part and the default length is 1. Now in this case, if my string length is less than 1, in that case str split will function will return false value because it cannot be split into the array because it has got only one element, one character in it. Now if the length is larger than the length of the string, then entire string will be returned as only element of array. Now here I am giving string as its Madhura, so it will give me and length as 2, so it will give me the all the string in like 0th one may we have it, then one may I have s, then in a second index may I have ma, in third index I have dh, in the fourth index I have ur, and the fifth index I have a. So it will split the two string, that is its and Madhura, like in 2 like in the count of 2. So it, then s, madhur, then a. Now next function is strcspn. Strcspn has got 4 arguments. First is string which is the string to be searched. Second is the char, specify the character to search for. Third is the start, which is optional, which specifies the string to start. And fourth one is the length, which is optional, specify the length of the string. Now in this case I am writing now strcspn will return the number of characters found in the string before any part of the specified characters are found. Now here suppose I want to find out the number of characters present before the m in my string. So here $strcspn in the bracket $str comma in the double quotes m. So it will give me the number of characters. So it will give me the output like 4, because before m in my string I have got 4 characters like it's and the space. Now next function is str to lower. It will convert the given string to lowercase. So str to lower, in the bracket I am specifying my string which is it's Madhura, so it will write down all the string in a lowercase, like it's Madhura, everything is in lowercase. Now next function is strspn. Now this function returns the number of characters found in the string that contains only characters from the char list parameter. Now in this we have got 4 arguments: string, char list, start and length. String, the string to be searched. Char list is the characters to find out, and the start specifies the where in the string to start, and this length will specify the length of the string. Now in this I am writing here strspn in the bracket my string which is Madhura $str comma it's Madhura comma I will write down in a double quotes my char list. My char list contains e, the capital I, small s and t. So it will find out these 4 characters in the given string. So it will give me the output 3 because I, s and t are there in my first string which is its. So it will give me out the output like 3. Now next function is strpbrk. Now this function which searches a string for any of the specified character. Now the function returns the rest of the string from where it found the first occurrence of specific character, otherwise it returns false. So here I am writing strpbrk, my string which is it's Madhura, comma ma. So it will search for the ma and write down madhura, Madhura. Now next function is str to upper. Now this will convert the given string to uppercase. So it has got the one argument which is string. So str to upper in the bracket I am writing down it's Madhura, that is $str. So it will give me the output all the all the characters of string est Madhura in uppercase. So this is the whole code and this is the output. Now if you have any kind of doubt, do comment, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.